What's up, YouTube? I got an unboxing for you. It's the Nike Flyknits, the Racers, size 8, in orange and white, dark gray. Let's get to the unboxing. These look way better than they do on the computer. They actually look really nice in person. The gray and the white really go with the orange and the black. You know, I was reading the reviews on them and I heard a lot of good reviews, and I thought this would be my next running shoe. The waffle skin on the bottom. There's a lot of perforations. So yeah, I'll be doing a review soon, as I'm already in cross-country season, so I will let you guys know how they feel, how they ride. Thank you.